Low-code industry is poised to grow rapidly in the coming years. Customers are increasingly looking at using low-code for implementing complex use cases. They are also looking at using low-code for implementing many of their GenAI initiatives to fast-track them. This dual trend of implementing complex use cases, GenAI initiatives will drive exponential growth in the low-code industry in the coming years. I would recommend the organizations to look at identifying the right use cases and the business need. The right use case and the business need should actually drive the platform selection. I would strongly advise organizations not to identify a platform first and then force fit a use case into the platform. That's something which organizations should desist from doing. So identify the right use case and then choose the platform of choice, right? That's what I would recommend. Low-code platforms have been able to shrink the development effort and costs tremendously. You've seen as high as 40 to 50% reduction in the development effort. The maintenance costs are also negligible when it comes to low-code applications. Businesses are also tremendously excited at using applications developed on low-code because the speed to market gets shrunk dramatically, and they're all very enthused with rolling out new capabilities faster vis-a-vis a traditional application development approach. We recently implemented an intelligent automation solution for a leading pharma manufacturer. The customer had an error-prone manual process for processing the supplier work orders, which used to come in the form of scanned documents. We replaced that with a low-code Mendix-based solution which interacted with GenAI components like AWS Extract to automate the content extraction and the approval process. The resultant was that the entire process was fully automated and all the errors were gone, right? And there was tremendous benefits for the customer. It was almost a 5x increase in the transaction throughput. The defects also became negligible. If you ask me, are these results consistently achievable? The answer to that is, to some extent it depends on the current state of the customer, but if with a smart solution, exponential gains can be easily achieved. Identifying the right use case for low-code adoption along with proper design of the system upfront is critical for the success of any low-code initiative. If you look at the verticals which are in the forefront of adopting low-code, BFSI is obviously one of the strong verticals which is at the forefront of adopting technology, and low-code is no exception. But what we have seen interestingly is many other domain verticals like healthcare, life sciences, manufacturing are also increasingly looking at adopting low-code and fast-tracking their digital transformation initiatives. That's a new trend that we are seeing. Low-code is enabling a new class of developers who are not necessarily from an IT background. They are more from a business background, but who use their business knowledge to develop IT applications. This is a very healthy trend for the industry as this fosters improved IT and business collaboration. What it also does is it creates a new category of developers who are not necessarily fully technical but who are techno-functional, right? Which helps in accelerated digital transformation. The evolution of low-code technology has had a positive impact on traditional application development. The traditional application developer today is now looking at using coding assistants and test automation tools to compete with the pace and quality of low-code application development. Overall, this is a very positive trend for the application development industry, and it makes application development an enjoyable experience.